It's an alert day for the threat of some afternoon storms. So outside right now, it's steamy and sticky. We're expecting some storms with damaging winds and heavy rain to flare up. Marty Bass is in the First Alert Weather Center tracking the rain that could bring flash floods. Marty.
Well, let's go ahead and jump right into it and show you what we're really talking about this day. And it's a fairly good percentage chance that we're going to see something happen. Heavy thunderstorms possible, widespread. Well, we'll see how that squares away. Certainly isolated, but we'll see if that starts trending, becomes more widespread. Torrential downpours, flash flood risk, pockets of damaging wind in and around any isolated or heavy cell contained within a line moving maybe over your corner. Timing is now through 9 p.m. Now, here's First Alert Doppler weather radar. I want you to look at the wind arrows. Look at that humidity piling through into the area and moving through the mid-Atlantic. Now, you did see around the metro and eastern shore some isolated showers, but here's the more widespread activity that's now taking place out to our west. And some of that's going to be moving our way as we move through the afternoon. First Alert Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley will be on the job and monitoring this for you. It's, again, could be a very active weather afternoon. We have a weather text that we all participate in, and to be quite honest about it, we have all been discussing how this weather pattern is becoming very tiresome for you folks and for us. And that's what we're talking about behind the scenes. It's been a rough summer. More coming your way shortly. Back to you.
Right now we're taking a look at the WJZ Outback, 87 degrees. But I've got to tell you, Marty, it was feeling so sticky and steamy. You know that feeling? You're inside and air conditioned. You step outside and you can just feel it with your fingers.
And it seems like it's been that way all summer long. Good afternoon, everyone. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's go ahead and show you some temperatures around the area. Take any of these numbers and just put a comma followed by the words "and humid." And if you want to throw, what it really feels like on some of these numbers, I think you could probably bump them up at this point by maybe 6 degrees. Tell you what, we'll look at the specific current condition graphic in just a second. Let me show you the pollen. There is no tree pollen. Low for weed, moderate for grass, high for mold. Now, let's go ahead and take a look. The humidity of 63%, okay? So it's 87, feels like 94, so basically you bump it up 7 degrees here on TV Hill. Barometers at 30.04, 10-mile visibility, but that breeze coming in from the south-southeast is going to be a player this afternoon. Not only is the humidity piling into the region, but there's a bit of a bay effect, and these storms out to the west are going to kind of run into it. And where the confluence happens, it starts getting choppy, and that's where you start to see more than just a couple of isolated storms. Right now, just some isolated stuff here on the eastern shore and along the I-95 corridor. But again, you look out to the west, and there's a pretty good amount of energy moving our way. And again, there's going to be a bit of a bay breeze boundary set up, and it's this energy that we're concerned about as we move through the afternoon. And I was mentioning, we have a text. Rachel's on it, Cutter's on it, Tim's on it, I'm on it, Derek Beasley on it, Sostin's on it. And Derek and Steve very concerned about this bit of a bay influence on that energy coming in from the west. So we'll see how it squares away. The excessive rain outlook is primarily out to the west and then south and east of the metro grid, but not exclusively. I mean, we're definitely going to be seeing some pretty righteous shower activity move through the area. Again, take any temperature. Essex at 88, Owings Mills 85, Elkridge at 88, bump it 5 to 7 degrees. Let's look down in Anne Arundel County. A little bit of a bay influence there. Still temperatures in the mid-upper 80s. Okay, overnight tonight, Hartford, Cecil County. We'll use you for an example. Temperatures still in the humid low 70s. Futurecast almost started at 6 o'clock. We already have a pretty good shower sitting right on top of the city. And here's this line starting to form and get involved with a bit of that bay effect. And look how it starts to blossom before it actually heads on out of here. Midnight, pretty much over the eastern shore and southern Maryland. Baltimore areas north along the Maryland-PA line should be relatively calm as we get into dinner. Okay, yep, the beach, still the place to be for the next few days, that's for sure. Strong storms, 87 today. Overnight tonight, 73 degrees, maybe some early storms and calming overnight. We'll look at your 7-day forecast here coming up shortly.
All right, Marty.
Let's check that super 7-day forecast. Stay an alert day for sure. Notice Friday, our team of meteorologists very concerned that may become an alert day too. There's a chance of a thunderstorm popping up almost every day but Saturday. But we're now really focused on Friday. And again, once we get beyond Sunday, it looks like temperatures finally relax. And that's a beautiful thing.
Oh, yes, looking at those 90s.